Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use template in your Canva Sheets mobile on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the template in your Canva Sheets mobile, just going to show in this video. For that, first if I click on this and click on anywhere on the thing, or just swipe up, and you can find option called design. Click this. Now here you can find a lot of designs here. So you can find a project timeline, social media calendar, sales contact list, and if you just need a template, you just need to search as a sheet template on the top, or you can find the options called budget, calendar, budget planner, whatever. So just click this anything and you just click on the add new page. So this will make your template here. You can just click on it and you can easily edit it, and you can just use it on your own. And if you just need to switch the template, click on the design again, and here you can find all the templates. Click on it and click on replace the current page. So this will replace the template. This is how you just use the template on your Canva Sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super viable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.